Phenomenological approach. Phenomenological research combines a variety of research methods. Those are interviews, observation, reading, and more, to help you describe a place, action, or a process. Now, this description is based entirely on the perspective of participants as it analyzes people who have first-hand experience with the activity. Phenomenology is a wide-ranging from of study. In this research model, the researchers look to gather information that explains how individuals experience a phenomenon and how they feel about it. This model recognizes that there is no single objective reality. Instead, everyone experiences things differently. The outcome is described from the point of view of the participants. However, the researcher is still able to derive a set of findings that can be used to identify themes surrounding the phenomena under study. How it's used now. One area where this type of research is useful is exploring how employees or customers feel about a particular company policy. For example, let's just say your employees ask you to remove a pointless safety rule because they think it slow down their productivity when it's really in their best interest to keep it. You can use a phenomenological research to educate employees on why that policy is important and what that policy can do for their betterment.